Hello, welcome to Global Korean Academy. I am your Korean language teacher.
학생,
student,
학생,
student,
선생님,
teacher,
선생님,
teacher,
회사원,
company employee,
회사원,
company employee,
근로자,
worker,
근로자,
worker,
경찰관,
police officer,
경찰관,
police officer,
소방관,
firefighter,
소방관,
firefighter,
공무원,
public official,
공무원,
public official,
점원,
clerk,
점원,
clerk,
의사,
doctor,
의사,
doctor,
간호사,
nurse,
간호사,
nurse,
요리사,
cook,
요리사,
cook,
운전기사,
driver,
운전기사,
driver,
기술자,
engineer,
기술자,
engineer,
목수,
carpenter,
목수,
carpenter,
농부,
farmer,
농부,
farmer,
어부,
fisher person,
어부.
fisher person.
Hello,
The video is over for today.
welcome.
See you in a new video.
We are here to build a better future together.
To practice the words you learned today, watch more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel. In the next video, we will look at the items used in daily life. I really appreciate you spending your time watching this video.